Now coming for the next video, okay, observe, this is going to be the same comparing to your previous video concept, comparative income statement. I have taken that format of the question for the calculation of common size, a small different method. Okay, you have two different methods of analyzing the income statement, either comparative or common size. Now we are going to choose common size. How this is going to be analyzed by us? Coming for common size income statement, see, in comparative you had 2016 and 2017 together and you were comparing, and then you were taking increase or decrease in value and in the percentage. But here it's common size, you are going to take up commonly each year percentage. So first year percentage and the present year percentage. Okay, now just observe. I'll tell you all, I've taken as per the same previous question, so no changes, only the calculation differs. So there is no changes with the question which I have taken now. Observe, let me tell you how it is. It's very simple, students. Going for common size. Okay, whenever you go for common size word, let me just show you all the word common size to be highlighted. Okay, common size income statement. Whenever you see this word, treat the first value, okay, which means revenue from operations or sales, the first item to be treated as base for calculation. So 7,25,000 divided by 7,25,000 will give you 100%. So you need not calculate it, just treat it as a base and write 100. Okay, let me show you all once. You have to write it. I've just made it as bold, just observe. Okay, so first years, that is first year as well as second year, the first item, observe, the first item of both the years to be treated as the base for calculation in case of common size. Okay, now moving on right from the next, going for 2016. Now concentrate only on the first year. So 25,000 divided by 7,25,000. This 7,25,000 will be the base as a denominator for dividing percentage. 3.44 for all the complete 2016 items. Okay, this will be the base. For 2017, this will be the base for all the calculation, each and every item. Next, 7 lakh divided by 7,25,000 percentage, 96.55. 1,200 divided by 7,25,000, 0.16. 1,200 divided by 7,25,000, 96.71. Next, 5,95,000 divided by 7,25,000 percentage, 82.06. 12,700 divided by 7,25,000, 1.75%. 23,000 divided by 7,25,000, 3.17. 1,500 divided by 7,25,000 percentage, 0.20. Then 6,32,200 divided by 7,25,000, 87.2. And for the next, 69,000 divided by 7,25,000, 9.51. You can either go for round figure of the decimals, but I have not taken that. Okay, similarly we have completed now for 2016. See, this will be the base. Okay, this will be the base in case of income statement, that is common size. Now moving on to the next 2017. 15,000 divided by, what is the value here? 8,15,000 percentage, 1.84. 8 lakh divided by 8,15,000 percentage, 98.15. 8,000 divided by 8,15,000, 0.98. 8,08,000 divided by 8,15,000, percentage 99.14. Then 6,15,000 divided by 8,15,000. For this, keep in the mind the base value. Okay, 75.46. Next, 12,500 divided by 8,15,000. 1.53. 24,000 divided by 8,15,000. 2.94. 2,000 divided by 8,15,000, 0.24. 6,53,500 divided by 8,15,000, percentage 80.18. 1,54,000 divided by 8,15,000, percentage 18.89. So this is the way which we are going to calculate. Okay, each year's values of each item to be divided by the base. Okay, let us just have a